Trillionaire, an artificial intelligence guide to unthinkable wealth. The human spark in the algorithmic age. While this publication delves into the extraordinary potential of artificial intelligence to generate unprecedented wealth, it is fundamentally a guide about human ingenuity and ambition. AI is a powerful tool, but it is the human mind, with its capacity for imagination, strategic thinking, ethical considerations, and unwavering desire, that ultimately directs its power and shapes its impact. The journey to becoming a trillionaire in the age of AI is not about replacing human endeavor, but about forging a dynamic partnership between human vision and artificial intelligence, where each amplifies the other's strengths to achieve the seemingly impossible. The dawn of intelligent abundance. Imagine a world where the seemingly impossible becomes not only probable, but a tangible blueprint within your grasp. This is not a guide of mere financial theory, but a compass pointing toward the next frontier of wealth creation, a landscape sculpted by the very intelligence that now permeates our reality, artificial intelligence. Within these pages, we will journey beyond the limitations of traditional thinking, blending the timeless wisdom of ambition and focused desire with the unprecedented power of intelligent machines. Doubt may whisper in the shadows, suggesting such heights are reserved for a select few, a stroke of improbable luck. But what if the rules of wealth are being rewritten, coded anew by algorithms capable of identifying opportunities invisible to the human eye, of scaling solutions beyond our wildest projections? This is not just about the future. It is about the emerging present, where the seeds of trillion-dollar fortunes are being sown in the fertile ground of AI innovation. Open your mind to the possibility that the next generation of wealth will be forged not through incremental growth, but through exponential leaps powered by intelligent systems. Believe, even if a sliver of your consciousness remains skeptical, that the capacity to shape this future, to ride the wave of intelligent abundance, lies within your grasp. This resource is your guide, a practical yet visionary exploration into the art and science of becoming a trillionaire in the age of AI. A journey that may seem like a mystical ascent today, but could very well be the pragmatic reality of tomorrow. Beyond the trillion, my driving purpose. As I engage in this journey of prompting and creating this publication, my personal path to success comes vividly to mind. I've come to realize that true fulfillment lies not solely in the destination of wealth, but in the journey itself, a journey enriched by health, clear thinking, and the resources to pursue one's aspirations. While financial abundance is a significant factor in enabling these pursuits, the importance of family has been a guiding principle throughout my experiences. My underlying motivation, captured in a past venture, has always been about creating content to share with future generations, to pass on insights and knowledge that might benefit those who need it now or in the distant future. From a young age, my passion for writing, creating poetry and music, and generating ideas has been a constant. I recall my grandmother's amusement at my childhood briefcase, my symbol of the business within, a deep-seated desire to build something successful, yet always with the intention of sharing and giving back. As I've matured, my understanding of wealth's potential has grown, not just for personal gain, but as a means to share knowledge, experience, and findings, hoping to bring happiness to others. Even during times of personal struggle or ambition, an unspoken commitment to my family and friends, a mental list of how I would support them upon achieving financial security, has always been present. My early exposure to Think and Grow Rich planted seeds of vision, even if not fully understood at the time. While some interpretations like Carnegie and Hill's $1-a-year mentorship initially skewed my perspective on helping others, the core desire to give and share has remained. Now at 53, my excitement about AI stems from its potential to supercharge this lifelong creative drive. After decades of artistic creation, AI offers an unprecedented amplification of my ability to generate ideas and produce impactful work. While reaching the trillion-dollar mark remains a future unknown, the potential AI offers feels like a powerful accelerator. My why extends beyond personal wealth. It's about empowering my family, my friends, and those in my circle with the resources and vision to thrive, to alleviate suffering, and to make a positive impact on the world. It's about building, giving, and extending opportunities. Just as this guide has been a lifetime in the making, fueled by experience, know-how, energy, and a long-held vision, I encourage you, the reader, to find your own why as you navigate these pages. See your destination, embrace your power to create, and let artificial intelligence be the force that keeps you on your path to realizing your unique goals and dreams, leaving a lasting legacy for those you cherish. Finding your why, the compass on your trillion-dollar journey. As you explore the strategies and principles within this guide, remember that the pursuit of unthinkable wealth, especially when intertwined with the transformative power of artificial intelligence, is most potent when fueled by a purpose that transcends mere financial gain. Take a moment to consider what truly resonates with you from the whys we've explored. 1. The global impact. Does the potential to solve massive global challenges, from climate change to disease, ignite a fire within you? Can you envision leveraging AI and vast resources to create solutions that benefit billions? 2. Your enduring legacy. What mark do you want to leave on the world? Is your ambition tied to building something that will continue to innovate, empower, or uplift future generations through the power of AI? 3. The thrill of innovation. Are you driven by the sheer excitement of pushing technological boundaries? Does the prospect of creating groundbreaking AI that redefines industries fuel your ambition? 4. Empowering others at scale. Do you envision a future where your AI-driven ventures create opportunities and empower countless individuals, lifting communities and fostering widespread prosperity? 5. The pinnacle of personal mastery. Does the challenge of achieving such an extraordinary goal represent a profound journey of self-discovery and the ultimate test of your capabilities in the age of intelligent machines? 6. Reshaping the future. Are you driven by a vision to fundamentally alter existing paradigms, to create new societal structures or ways of interacting with technology through the fusion of AI and unprecedented resources? 7. Securing a brighter tomorrow. Does the desire to ensure a more stable and flourishing future for your loved ones in the wider world motivate your pursuit of significant wealth through AI innovation? Reflect on these questions. Your personal why will serve as your compass, guiding you through the inevitable challenges and fueling your persistence. As you learn about the intelligent strategies within this guide, connect them to your deepest motivations. Understanding your core purpose will not only make the journey more meaningful, but will also imbue your endeavors with a passion that attracts the right people, inspires innovation, and ultimately drives you towards your own unique vision of unthinkable wealth. Let your why be the foundation upon which your trillion-dollar ambition is built. Small wins, big momentum. Let's be honest, setting your sights on unthinkable wealth, on becoming a trillionaire, can feel incredibly ambitious, even overwhelming when you first consider it. But the truth is, every monumental achievement is built one step at a time. That's why this guide places powerful emphasis on the profound impact of small wins. We're going to show you exactly how the timeless principles of success, when amplified by the transformative power of artificial intelligence, can start creating tangible, positive changes in various aspects of your life and business. Not somewhere in the distant future, but right from the start. Focusing on achieving these actionable, early successes is what makes your journey accessible, builds unstoppable momentum, and provides the tangible proof you need that the path to unthinkable wealth is real and that you are already walking it. While the title of this guide points towards the extraordinary realm of trillion-dollar wealth, the journey to any significant achievement, financial or personal, is paved with consistent small victories. Think of this not just as a blueprint for an ultimate, perhaps distant goal, but as a framework for immediate positive change. The principles of a powerful mindset and the intelligent leverage of artificial intelligence are not exclusive to those chasing unimaginable fortunes. Their true strength lies in their ability to generate momentum through small, consistent wins in your daily life. Consider this. The burning desire we cultivate can initially focus on a more immediate financial goal, perhaps increasing your income by a certain percentage, identifying a new revenue stream through AI analysis, or automating a time-consuming task to free up valuable hours. The unwavering faith in your vision can begin with believing in your ability to master a new AI tool or successfully implement a small AI-driven strategy. Each small step forward, each minor financial gain or personal efficiency achieved through the intelligent application of these principles builds confidence and reinforces your belief in the larger potential. These early successes, these small wins, are not mere stepping stones. They are the fuel that sustains your journey. They provide tangible evidence that the principles work, that AI can be a powerful ally, and that you are capable of creating positive change in your life right now. By focusing on these achievable milestones, you build momentum, develop valuable skills, and cultivate the unwavering belief necessary to tackle larger ambitions, including the possibility of reaching truly unthinkable wealth over time. Start small, celebrate those victories, and let the power of intelligent action guide your ascent. Understanding the language of intelligent wealth. What is artificial intelligence? AI. Artificial intelligence, at its core, represents the endeavor to equip computational systems with the ability to perform tasks that typically require human intellect. This encompasses a vast and rapidly evolving field, drawing upon computer science, mathematics, linguistics, neuroscience, and philosophy to create machines capable of perceiving their environment, learning from data, reasoning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even exhibiting creativity. Rather than being explicitly programmed for every specific task, AI systems often employ algorithms, particularly within the subfields of machine learning and deep learning, that enable them to identify patterns, extract insights, and make predictions or classifications based on the data they process. This learning can be supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement-based, allowing AI to adapt and improve its performance over time. From the narrow AI that powers recommendation engines and virtual assistants to the aspirational goal of artificial general intelligence, AGI that seeks human-level cognitive abilities, AI is fundamentally reshaping how we interact with technology and the world around us, driving automation, enhancing analysis, and unlocking new possibilities across countless industries. What is a trillionaire? A trillionaire is an individual whose net worth is equivalent to 1 trillion units of their local currency. In the context of global finance, this is most often discussed in terms of US dollars. $1 trillion represents an almost incomprehensible sum of wealth, equivalent to 1,000 billions or 1 million millions. To illustrate its scale, if one were to spend $1 million every single day, it would take approximately 2,740 years to expend a $1 trillion fortune. Currently, no individual on Earth has officially reached this pinnacle of wealth, though projections and the rapid accumulation of wealth by the world's richest individuals suggest it may occur within this century. Possessing such a vast fortune would grant an individual economic power exceeding the entire gross domestic product, GDP, of most nations, underscoring the immense influence and potential societal impact associated with becoming a trillionaire. Achieving this level of wealth typically necessitates ownership of exponentially growing assets, control over companies with multi-trillion-dollar market capitalizations, or significant holdings in uniquely valuable resources and technologies. Natural language processing, NLP, a field of artificial intelligence focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, both written and spoken. It involves techniques that allow machines to process and analyze text and speech data, extracting meaning, identifying patterns, and facilitating communication between humans and computers. Machine learning, ML, a type of artificial intelligence that enables computer systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following fixed rules, ML algorithms identify patterns and relationships in data, allowing them to improve their performance and make predictions or decisions over time. Natural language processing, NLP, a field of artificial intelligence focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, both written and spoken. It involves techniques that allow machines to process and analyze text and speech data, extracting meaning, identifying patterns, and facilitating communication between humans and computers. Computer vision, a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to see and interpret the visual world. It involves techniques for acquiring, processing, analyzing, and understanding digital images and videos, allowing machines to identify objects, scenes, and patterns, much like human vision. Generative AI, a category of artificial intelligence models that can generate new, original content such as text, images, audio, video, and code, often in response to prompts or learned patterns from training data. Algorithm, a set of rules or step-by-step instructions that a computer follows to solve a problem or perform a task. This is fundamental to how AI operates. Neural network, a computational system inspired by the structure of the human brain, consisting of interconnected nodes, neurons, that process and transmit information. Deep learning models are based on complex neural networks. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers, hence deep, to analyze complex data and learn intricate patterns. It's particularly effective for tasks like image and speech recognition. Data, raw facts, figures, or information that AI systems use to learn and make decisions. Emphasize the importance of large and high-quality datasets for training effective AI. Cloud computing, the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the internet, the cloud. This infrastructure is crucial for scaling AI applications. Automation, the use of technology to perform tasks with minimal human assistance. AI is a key driver of advanced automation. 10 steps to becoming a trillionaire with artificial intelligence. The Individual's Guide, Trillionaire, your AI-powered ascent to unthinkable wealth. The journey to becoming a trillionaire in the age of artificial intelligence is not a lottery win, but a deliberate climb fueled by knowledge, vision, and strategic action. This guide provides a 10-step roadmap specifically designed for the ambitious individual ready to harness the transformative power of AI. From mastering the foundational principles to leading a world-class team, we will explore the practical and visionary pathways that can propel you towards unprecedented financial heights in this intelligent new era. Here are 10 broad steps, blending practical considerations with a visionary outlook. 1. Master foundational knowledge. Gain a strong understanding of both artificial intelligence, key concepts, development, applications, and business principles, economics, finance, strategy, scaling. This provides the necessary toolkit. 2. Identify a massive global problem. Look for significant unmet needs or inefficiencies that impact a large portion of the world's population or major industries. The scale of the problem dictates the potential scale of the solution and the wealth it can generate. 3. Develop a revolutionary AI-powered solution. Create a product, service, or platform that leverages AI in an innovative and highly effective way to address the identified problem. This solution should be significantly better, faster, or more cost-effective than existing alternatives. 4. Build a minimum viable product, MVP, and validate. Develop an initial version of your AI solution and rigorously test it in the real world to gather feedback, iterate, and prove its value and scalability. Practical validation is crucial before significant investment. 5. Assemble a world-class team. Surround yourself with talented individuals in AI development, engineering, business operations, marketing, and finance. Attracting and retaining top talent is essential for executing a complex trillion-dollar vision. 6. Secure strategic funding and scale operations. Obtain the necessary capital through self-funding or bootstrapping, angel investors, venture capital, or public offerings. Use this funding to build robust infrastructure, expand your team, and scale your operations to reach a global market. 7. Focus on exponential growth and network effects. Design your business model to benefit from network effects, where the value of your product or platform increases with more users or data. Aim for exponential growth through strategic partnerships and market penetration. 8. Navigate regulatory and ethical landscapes. Proactively, understand and engage with the legal and ethical implications of your AI technology. Build trust with users and policymakers by prioritizing responsible development and deployment. 9. Continuously innovate and adapt to market changes. The AI and business landscapes are constantly evolving. Invest heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to new challenges, and maintain a competitive edge. 10. Maintain a long-term vision and exceptional leadership. Guide your organization with a clear, ambitious vision that extends beyond short-term profits. Exhibit strong leadership to inspire your team, navigate complexities, and persevere through the long journey of building a trillion-dollar enterprise. Important note, achieving a trillion-dollar net worth is exceptionally challenging and not guaranteed. These steps outline a potential pathway based on current trends and the power of AI, but it requires a unique confluence of talent, innovation, execution, and favorable circumstances. The theoretical overview, the trillion-dollar equation, decoding the principles of AI-driven megawealth. The pursuit of trillion-dollar wealth in the 21st century is powered by the revolutionary potential of artificial intelligence. This exploration outlines 10 fundamental principles that underpin the creation of entities capable of achieving such extraordinary valuations. By examining the convergence of groundbreaking innovation, strategic market dominance, and the mastery of intelligent technologies, we will decode the essential elements that drive the formation of AI-powered megawealth in our rapidly evolving world. Becoming a trillionaire is an exceptionally ambitious goal, a feat currently unattained by any individual in the world. It would require a unique combination of factors, including groundbreaking innovation, massive global impact, strategic execution, and a significant amount of favorable timing and circumstances. However, based on historical trends in wealth creation and the potential of emerging technologies, here are 10 broad steps an individual or entity might theoretically take to reach such a level of wealth. 1. Identify a truly revolutionary problem and create a scalable AI-driven solution. The key is to solve a massive global problem in a way that impacts billions of people or creates entirely new fundamental markets. Artificial intelligence, with its potential to automate, personalize, and innovate across industries, is likely to be a core component of such a solution. Think at the level of fundamentally changing healthcare, energy, communication, or how humans interact with the world. 2. Develop foundational intellectual property and a dominant platform. Secure strong patents and build a platform that becomes indispensable to a vast user base or numerous industries. This could be a core AI technology, a revolutionary biotech, a groundbreaking energy source, or the infrastructure for a future digital world, like a next-generation internet or a dominant metaverse. 3. Attract massive investment and talent. Scaling a trillion-dollar vision requires significant capital and a world-class team. Attracting early-stage investment from venture capitalists, sovereign wealth funds, and eventually the public markets will be crucial. Simultaneously, recruiting and retaining the best minds in AI, engineering, business strategy, and related fields is essential. 4. Achieve hyper-global scale and adoption. The solution needs to reach and be adopted by billions of users or become the standard across multiple trillion-dollar industries. This requires exceptional marketing, distribution, and the ability to navigate diverse global markets and regulations. 5. Build powerful network effects and ecosystems. Create a system where the value of your platform or solution increases exponentially with more users or participants. Develop a thriving ecosystem of developers, partners, and complementary services that further solidify your dominance. 6. Strategically navigate regulatory landscapes and ethical concerns. Disruptive technologies often face significant regulatory hurdles and ethical debates. Proactively engaging with policymakers, addressing societal concerns, and building trust will be crucial for long-term success in avoiding roadblocks. 7. Continuously innovate and adapt. The technological landscape is constantly evolving. Maintaining a trillion-dollar valuation requires relentless innovation, anticipating future trends, and adapting the core technology and business model to stay ahead of the curve and fend off competitors. 8. Master data, acquisition, and utilization. For AI-driven trillion-dollar ventures, access to and the ability to effectively utilize massive datasets will be a critical competitive advantage. Developing ethical and efficient data acquisition and management strategies will be paramount. 9. Explore beyond AI synergies. While AI is likely a key enabler, future trillion-dollar wealth might also involve the convergence of AI with other groundbreaking fields like biotechnology, biointegrated AI, quantum computing, vastly accelerating AI capabilities, advanced materials science, or even space exploration, new resource acquisition or markets. 10. Exhibit exceptional leadership and long-term vision. Guiding a company to a trillion-dollar valuation and sustaining that requires visionary leadership with the ability to inspire massive organizations, navigate unprecedented challenges, and maintain a long-term focus beyond short-term gains. Important considerations. Time horizon. Reaching a trillion-dollar net worth is likely a multi-decade endeavor, even with revolutionary technology. Luck and timing. External factors, market conditions, and geopolitical events can significantly influence the trajectory of wealth creation. Societal impact. Achieving such wealth comes with immense responsibility and will likely face significant scrutiny regarding its impact on society and wealth inequality. These steps are highly theoretical and represent an extreme level of success. However, they provide a framework for thinking about the scale of innovation, impact, and execution that might be necessary to reach the trillion-dollar threshold. The trillion-dollar fusion, powering wealth through industry blends. The traditional silos of industry are dissolving, giving way to a new era of unprecedented opportunity. The true engines of future trillion-dollar wealth won't merely reside within established sectors, but at their dynamic intersections, amplified by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. In this section, we will delve into 10 of the most fertile pairings, from the synergy of biotechnology and AI to the intelligent evolution of robotics and energy. Prepare to explore the groundbreaking potential that arises when seemingly disparate fields converge, supercharged by AI's ability to analyze, automate, and innovate, paving the way for the next generation of trillion-dollar enterprises and the individuals who will lead them. 10 powerful industry blends leveraging AI with the potential for massive wealth creation. 1. Biotechnology plus artificial intelligence, bio-AI. Potential. Revolutionizing drug discovery, AI for identifying novel targets and designing molecules. Personalized medicine, AI analyzing genomics and patient data for tailored treatments. Accelerating clinical trials, AI for patient selection and data analysis. Synthetic biology, AI-guided design of new biological systems. And AI-powered diagnostics for early and accurate disease detection. Trillionaire path. Companies that discover blockbuster AI-designed drugs, create truly personalized and highly effective therapies for major diseases, or unlock the potential of synthetic biology at scale. 2. Robotics plus artificial intelligence, AI-enhanced robotics. Potential. Creating highly autonomous robots capable of complex tasks in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, surgery, elder care, agriculture, and exploration, space deep sea. This includes robots with advanced perception, decision-making, and learning capabilities. Trillionaire path. Companies that develop truly general-purpose robots adaptable to various industries or create the foundational AI software and hardware for advanced robotic autonomy. 3. Energy plus artificial intelligence, smart energy. Potential. Optimizing energy grids for efficiency and stability, AI-powered load balancing and predictive maintenance, accelerating the discovery of new clean energy sources, AI for materials science and simulations, personalized energy management for consumers, and AI-driven smart grids integrating renewable energy sources. Trillionaire path. Companies that develop breakthrough AI solutions for grid management at scale significantly improve the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of clean energy, or create revolutionary new energy storage technologies guided by AI. 4. Finance plus artificial intelligence, AI-driven finance. Potential, advanced algorithmic trading with superior predictive power, hyper-personalized wealth management and financial planning, sophisticated fraud detection and cybersecurity for financial institutions, AI-powered lending and credit scoring with greater accuracy and inclusivity, and the development of groundbreaking AI-driven financial instruments. Trillionaire path. Companies that create AI systems consistently outperforming traditional financial markets, democratize sophisticated wealth management through AI, or build truly secure and efficient AI-powered financial infrastructure. 5. Education plus artificial intelligence, personalized AI tutoring. Potential, creating truly adaptive and personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. AI tutors providing real-time feedback and guidance across all subjects, automated curriculum generation and assessment, and AI tools for identifying learning gaps and optimizing educational pathways. Trillionaire path. Platforms that demonstrably and significantly improve learning outcomes at scale globally, making high-quality personalized education accessible to everyone. 6. Agriculture plus artificial intelligence. Precision agriculture 2.0. Potential. Utilizing AI for hyper-precise resource management, water, fertilizer, pesticides, autonomous farming equipment, advanced crop and livestock monitoring with AI vision, predictive analytics for yields and disease outbreaks, and AI-driven optimization of the entire food supply chain. Trillionaire path. Companies that develop comprehensive AI solutions that dramatically increase food production efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and create more sustainable and resilient food systems. 7. Manufacturing plus artificial intelligence, intelligent manufacturing. Potential. Fully automated factories with AI-powered robots and control systems, predictive maintenance to minimize downtime, AI-driven quality control with real-time defect detection, adaptive manufacturing processes that can quickly respond to changing demands, and AI for optimizing supply chains and logistics. Trillionaire path. Companies that create the foundational AI software and hardware for truly autonomous and highly efficient manufacturing across multiple industries. 8. Entertainment plus artificial intelligence, AI-enhanced experiences. Potential. Creating highly personalized and interactive entertainment experiences, AI-generated content, dynamic storylines in games and movies, AI avatars and virtual influencers with realistic and engaging personalities, AI tools for content creation across various media, and immersive and adaptive virtual/augmented reality environments. Trillionaire path. Companies that develop the core AI for creating truly captivating and personalized entertainment that captures massive global audiences. 9. Space exploration plus artificial intelligence, autonomous space systems. Potential. AI-powered autonomous spacecraft navigation and landing. AI for resource identification and extraction on other celestial bodies, self-maintaining and repairing space infrastructure. Robots. AI for analyzing vast amounts of space data, and AI-driven mission planning and optimization. Trillionaire path. Companies that develop the critical AI for enabling cost-effective and sustainable space exploration and resource utilization. 10. Cybersecurity plus artificial intelligence, AI-driven security. Potential. Developing AI systems that can proactively detect and respond to sophisticated cyber threats in real time, AI for automated vulnerability assessment and patching, AI-powered threat intelligence gathering and analysis, and AI-driven identity and access management with enhanced security and user experience. Trillionaire path. Companies that create truly adaptive and resilient AI-powered cybersecurity solutions, capable of defending against the most advanced threats in an increasingly interconnected world. The key to unlocking trillion-dollar potential in these blended industries lies in creating synergistic solutions where AI significantly amplifies the capabilities and impact of the other sector, leading to transformative advancements in the creation of entirely new value propositions. The AGI revolution, building the infrastructure of tomorrow's wealth, artificial general intelligence, AGI, development and deployment, the creation of true AGI, AI with human-level cognitive abilities, holds the potential to revolutionize every industry. The entities that achieve breakthroughs in AGI develop safe and scalable deployment methods and create foundational AGI platforms could command unprecedented wealth, essentially becoming the infrastructure for future innovation and economic activity across the board. Okay, let's delve deeper into understanding the AGI horizon beyond narrow intelligence, focusing on clearly defining true artificial general intelligence, AGI, and contrasting it with the narrow AI that dominates our world today. Defining true general intelligence, the quest for human-level cognition. Imagine an artificial intelligence not confined to a specific task, like playing chess, recognizing faces, or translating languages. And true artificial general intelligence aims to replicate the full spectrum of human cognitive abilities. This means an AI capable of learning and applying knowledge across domains. Unlike narrow AI, which excels in a specific area but struggles outside of it, AGI would possess the ability to learn information from one domain and apply it to completely different, inventive situations. Just as a human can learn the principles of physics and apply them to understanding how a bicycle works or why a bridge stands, AGI could transfer knowledge and understanding across disparate fields. Reasoning and problem solving. AGI would be able to engage in abstract reasoning, understand cause and effect in complex scenarios, and devise creative solutions to problems it has never encountered before. It wouldn't rely solely on patterns learned from data, but could think conceptually and strategically. Understanding context and nuance. Human intelligence is deeply intertwined with understanding context, including social cues, emotional undertones, and common-sense knowledge about the world. AGI would strive to grasp these subtleties in communication and situations, allowing for more natural and effective interaction. Creativity and innovation. Perhaps one of the most profound aspects of AGI would be its capacity for genuine creativity, generating innovative ideas, art, scientific hypotheses, and technological inventions that are not simply recombinations of existing data. Adaptability and generalization. AGI would be highly adaptable, able to learn new skills and adjust to changing environments and tasks without extensive retraining. It would possess a robust ability to generalize from limited experience, a key hallmark of human intelligence. Consciousness and self-awareness. Often speculated. While the definition of AGI doesn't strictly require consciousness or self-awareness, many researchers believe that achieving true human-level general intelligence might necessitate some form of subjective experience or understanding of self. This remains a highly debated and philosophical aspect of AGI research, contrasting with narrow AI. The specialists of the intelligent world. The AI we interact with daily is predominantly narrow AI. These systems are designed and trained to perform specific tasks with remarkable efficiency and accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in those limited domains. Examples include image recognition. Software can identify objects, faces, and scenes with incredible speed and precision, but cannot understand the broader context or engage in conversation about the image. Language translation tools can translate text and speech effectively, but lack a deep understanding of cultural nuances or the ability to have a truly creative or philosophical discussion. Chess-playing engines can defeat the best human players through immense computational power and strategic algorithms, but cannot drive a car or understand a joke. Recommendation systems can suggest products or movies based on past behavior, but cannot understand your deeper motivations or engage in a meaningful discussion about your preferences. The key difference: narrow AI operates within predefined parameters and relies on patterns learned from specific data sets. It lacks the general cognitive flexibility and understanding of the world that characterizes human intelligence and that AGI aims to achieve. Why this distinction matters for trillion-dollar opportunities: the limitations of narrow AI, while powerful, also highlight the immense potential of AGI. A true AGI could identify and solve problems we haven't even conceived of yet, drive innovation across all industries simultaneously, create entirely new markets and paradigms of interaction, potentially automate intellectual labor on a scale that could reshape the global economy. Understanding this fundamental difference between narrow AI and the aspirational goal of AGI is crucial for recognizing the magnitude of the trillion-dollar opportunities that lie within the development and deployment of true general intelligence. The entities that unlock this level of AI will not just be building tools. They will be creating a new foundation for human progress and economic activity. The AGI Horizon, gateway to unforeseen trillion-dollar wealth. The current wave of artificial intelligence, while transformative, represents merely the initial ripples of a far greater intellectual tide. Today's narrow AI excels in specific domains, mastering tasks from image recognition to language translation with impressive proficiency. However, it remains a specialist, lacking the broad cognitive flexibility and general intelligence that defines human intellect. The true holy grail of AI research, the aspiration that holds the key to unlocking unforeseen trillion-dollar wealth, lies in the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, AI possessing human-level cognitive abilities. Achieving AGI is an immense scientific and technological Everest. The sheer complexity of the human brain, with its intricate neural networks and emergent consciousness, presents a formidable challenge to replicate in silicon. Current AI, despite its advancements, still grapples with common-sense reasoning, true creativity, and the ability to seamlessly transfer knowledge across vastly different domains, capabilities that define the AGI horizon. However, the potential rewards of reaching this summit are staggering. Imagine an intelligence capable of tackling problems currently beyond our comprehension, accelerating scientific discovery at an unprecedented pace, and innovating across every industry simultaneously. AGI could unlock solutions to global challenges in healthcare, climate change, and energy, forging entirely new economic landscapes and creating value we can scarcely envision today. The race to AGI is a multifaceted endeavor, with researchers exploring diverse pathways, from mimicking the brain's architecture to leveraging evolutionary algorithms and harnessing the power of emerging computational paradigms like quantum and neuromorphic computing. While the timeline remains speculative, the underlying belief is that the creation of a generally intelligent artificial mind will not just augment human capabilities, it will fundamentally reshape our world and the very nature of wealth creation. The entities that achieve significant breakthroughs in AGI development establish safe and scalable deployment methods and build the foundational platforms upon which this intelligence operates, stand to command unprecedented wealth. They will become the architects of tomorrow's innovation and the infrastructure of a new era of economic activity, potentially dwarfing the valuations of today's tech giants. As we gaze towards this AGI horizon, it's crucial to also consider the ethical and safety imperatives that accompany such profound power. Ensuring AGI aligns with human values and operates safely will be paramount. The challenges are significant, but the potential to unlock unforeseen value and create truly unthinkable wealth makes the pursuit of AGI one of the most compelling and potentially lucrative frontiers of the 21st century and beyond. It is within this context of striving for true artificial general intelligence that we now turn our attention to other groundbreaking, albeit currently hypothetical, concepts that could also pave the way to trillion-dollar fortunes. Top 10 hypothetical futuristic concepts for trillion-dollar wealth. 1. Consciousness uploading and digital immortality services. Imagine a future where individuals can upload their consciousness into a stable digital substrate, offering a form of digital immortality. The infrastructure, security, and personalized digital realms associated with this could become a trillion-dollar industry. 2. Personalized reality creation platforms. Beyond the metaverse, envision platforms that allow individuals to create and inhabit fully customizable realities tailored to their desires and needs, potentially blurring the lines between the physical and digital. The dominant platform and the tools for creation within it could be immensely valuable. 3. Matter replicator technology at a personal scale. If technology advances to a point where individuals can replicate goods and materials on demand in their homes, the company that creates and controls the underlying technology and the recipes could become a trillion-dollar entity, fundamentally changing manufacturing and consumption. 4. Universal language translation and thought interface. Imagine a device or neural interface that allows seamless communication and understanding across all languages, and even direct thought-to-thought communication. The company that pioneers and controls this could unlock unprecedented global collaboration and commerce. 5. Personalized weather and climate control. Localized. While large-scale climate control is a massive challenge, imagine localized technologies that can precisely control weather patterns in specific areas, e.g. ensuring perfect agricultural conditions, preventing natural disasters in key zones. The provider of such technology could be incredibly valuable. 6. Efficient and scalable space resource extraction and manufacturing. While still developing, the ability to extract valuable resources from asteroids or other celestial bodies and manufacture goods in space could become a trillion-dollar industry, driven by the scarcity of resources on Earth and the potential for new materials. 7. Personalized dream and subconscious. Augmentation. Imagine technologies that can precisely influence and enhance our dreams and subconscious states for learning, therapy, or entertainment. The dominant platform and the associated content and services could be a massive market. 8. Instantaneous global transportation, personal scale. Think beyond high-speed travel to a technology that allows individuals to instantly transport themselves across vast distances. The infrastructure and devices enabling this would be revolutionary. 9. Personalized biological optimization and evolution. Imagine technologies that allow individuals to safely and ethically enhance their physical and cognitive capabilities beyond current human limits, potentially even guiding personal evolution. The companies providing these advancements could tap into a fundamental human desire for improvement. 10. Direct neural interface technology, generalized. Imagine a widely adopted technology that allows seamless, high-bandwidth communication between the human brain and digital systems. This could revolutionize learning, communication, control of devices, and even sensory experiences. The power of artificial intelligence is not monolithic. It is a spectrum of capabilities, each with its unique potential to unlock unprecedented value. As you embark on your journey to unthinkable wealth, understanding this landscape is paramount. This section will illuminate the key categories of AI, from the readily accessible tools that can provide immediate advantages to the cutting-edge proprietary systems that can forge true market dominance. We will demystify fields like machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning, showcasing their practical applications and the visionary possibilities they hold for those aiming for a trillion-dollar impact. By strategically navigating this intelligent terrain, you will gain the insight necessary to choose the right AI arsenal for your ascent. The Intelligent Arsenal. Mastering AI for trillion-dollar ventures. 1. Leveraging existing AI tools. Democratization of AI. Emphasize that the barrier to entry for utilizing AI has significantly lowered due to the proliferation of accessible cloud-based AI platforms like AWS AI, Azure AI, Google Cloud AI, pre-trained models, and no-code/low-code AI development tools. Immediate applications. Highlight how entrepreneurs can immediately leverage these tools for market research, AI-powered analytics, customer engagement, AI chatbots, content creation, generative AI for marketing, operational efficiency, AI for automation, and even initial data analysis to identify opportunities. Strategic integration. Focus on the intelligent integration of these existing tools to gain a competitive edge and validate initial business models without requiring deep in-house AI expertise from day one. 2. Developing proprietary AI. The need for unique advantage. Explain that while existing tools are valuable, achieving trillion-dollar scale often necessitates developing proprietary AI that offers a unique and defensible advantage. This could involve algorithms, models, or data sets that are specific to the problem being solved and are difficult for competitors to replicate. Focus on core value proposition. Guide readers on identifying the core of their trillion-dollar vision, where proprietary AI will be crucial for differentiation and creating a significant technological moat. Gradual development. Emphasize that proprietary AI development can be a phased approach, starting with leveraging existing tools for initial validation, and then strategically investing in building custom AI as the business scales and the core value proposition becomes clearer. 3. Strategic combination. The hybrid approach. Advocate for a strategic blend of leveraging existing AI for speed and efficiency in certain areas while focusing in-house development on the core, differentiating AI. API economy. Discuss the importance of understanding and utilizing APIs, application programming interfaces, to connect existing AI services with proprietary AI, creating powerful hybrid solutions. Focus on integration. Highlight the skill of intelligently integrating various AI components, whether built in-house or accessed through external platforms, to create a cohesive and powerful system. 4. Key AI fields and their relevance to trillion-dollar ventures. Machine learning, ML. Relevance. Predictive analytics for market trends, personalized recommendations, fraud detection, dynamic pricing, optimizing algorithms in various applications. Keep it accessible. Explain the core idea of AI learning from data without getting into complex mathematical details. Deep learning, DL. Relevance. Powering advanced image and speech recognition, natural language understanding, and the development of sophisticated generative AI models. Highlight potential. Showcase its ability to tackle complex, unstructured data and create highly intelligent systems. Natural language processing, NLP. Relevance. Building sophisticated chatbots, analyzing customer sentiment, understanding market trends from text data, powering advanced search and information retrieval. Focus on communication. Emphasize its role in enabling intelligent interaction between humans and machines. Computer vision. Relevance. Enabling autonomous vehicles, advanced robotics, quality control in manufacturing, medical image analysis. Highlight perception. Explain how AI can see and interpret the visual world. Generative AI. Relevance. Creating new content, text, images, code, etc. Accelerating design processes. Personalizing creative experiences. Emphasize innovation. Show its potential for rapid prototyping and the creation of novel products and services. Reinforcement learning, ERL. Relevance. Training autonomous agents in robotics, gaming, etc. to make optimal decisions through trial and error, optimizing complex systems. Focus on autonomy. Highlight its role in creating intelligent systems that can learn and act independently. Top 10 industries ripe for AI-driven trillion-dollar growth and beyond. 1. Personalized and precision healthcare. AI power, AI-driven diagnostics, earlier and more accurate detection. Personalized medicine, drug discovery, treatment plans based on individual genomics. Robotic surgery, AI-powered virtual health assistants, predictive analytics for disease outbreaks. Beyond, full integration of biointerfaces, like our fictional NSIs, regenerative medicine guided by AI, preventative health optimized by continuous AI monitoring. Quicker Trillionaire path. Companies that develop truly revolutionary AI-driven diagnostic tools or personalized treatments with significantly higher efficacy and lower costs could rapidly dominate this massive market. 2. Autonomous transportation and logistics. AI power, self-driving vehicles, cars, trucks, drones, AI-optimized logistics and supply chain management, intelligent traffic control systems. Beyond, fully autonomous and interconnected transportation networks. AI-managed smart cities optimizing movement of goods and people. Space logistics powered by AI. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that achieve level 5 autonomy at scale and create the foundational AI for seamless, efficient transportation networks will be incredibly valuable. 3. AI-powered education and skill development. AI power, personalized learning platforms adapting to individual student needs, AI tutors providing customized feedback, automated curriculum generation, AI for assessing skills and matching individuals to opportunities. Beyond, direct neural interfaces for accelerated learning, again NSI-like, AI companions for lifelong learning and skill acquisition, fully immersive and adaptive virtual/augmented reality educational environments guided by AI. Quicker trillionaire path. Platforms that demonstrably accelerate learning outcomes and bridge skills. Gaps at a global scale could see exponential growth. 4. Generative AI for content creation and design. AI power. AI creating text, videos, images, pictures, music, code, and designs with increasing sophistication and personalization. Beyond, AI co-creators working seamlessly with humans, fully autonomous content generation engines, AI-driven personalized entertainment and art experiences tailored to individual preferences in real time. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that develop foundational generative AI models that become essential tools across multiple creative industries will be highly sought after. 5. AI-driven financial services and wealth management. AI power, algorithmic trading with advanced predictive capabilities, AI-powered financial advisors offering personalized investment strategies, fraud detection and prevention, automated underwriting and loan processing. Beyond, fully autonomous, decentralized financial systems managed by AI, hyper-personalized wealth creation strategies leveraging individual biometric and behavioral data, AI agents negotiating financial transactions. Quicker trillionaire path. Platforms that offer significantly higher returns and lower risk through advanced AI could disrupt traditional finance. 6. AI for advanced manufacturing and robotics. AI power, intelligent robots for automation, predictive maintenance in factories, AI-optimized design and material science, adaptive manufacturing processes. Beyond, fully autonomous, dark factories managed entirely by AI and robotics, self-healing and evolving manufacturing systems, personalized product creation at scale through AI-driven customization. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that develop the core AI and robotics for highly efficient and adaptable manufacturing across multiple sectors. 7. AI-powered agriculture and sustainable resource management. AI power, precision agriculture optimizing resource use, water, fertilizer, AI for crop and livestock monitoring, automated harvesting, climate change modeling and mitigation strategies. Beyond, AI-driven synthetic biology for food production, autonomous ecosystems managed by AI for resource sustainability, personalized nutrition based on AI analysis of individual needs and environmental impact. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that create AI solutions significantly improving food security and resource efficiency on a global scale. 8. AI for cybersecurity and digital trust. AI power, advanced threat detection and prevention, automated security response, AI-driven identity verification and management, combating misinformation and deepfakes. Beyond, AI sentinels proactively defending digital infrastructure, decentralized and AI-secure digital identities, AI for forensic analysis and attribution of cyber attacks. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that develop truly impenetrable and adaptive AI-powered cybersecurity solutions will be critical in an increasingly digital world. 9. AI for scientific discovery and research. AI power, accelerating drug discovery and material science, analyzing complex scientific data, automating experimental design, AI for theoretical physics and cosmological research. Beyond, AI as a collaborative scientific partner, autonomous research labs driven by AI uncovering fundamental laws of the universe. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that leverage AI to make fundamental scientific breakthroughs with significant commercial applications, e.g., room temperature, superconductors, fusion energy. 10. AI-enhanced entertainment and immersive experiences. AI power, personalized content recommendations, AI-generated games and virtual worlds, interactive storytelling, AI avatars and virtual influencers. Beyond, fully immersive and adaptive metaverse experiences driven by AI, direct neural interfaces for sensory input and output in virtual environments, AI companions with evolving personalities. Quicker trillionaire path. Companies that create truly compelling and personalized immersive experiences that capture massive user engagement. Key factors for quicker trillionaire status in these industries. Disruptive innovation, creating fundamentally new solutions, not just incremental improvements. Scalability, developing technologies and business models that can rapidly expand globally. Network effects, building platforms where the value increases with more users or data. First mover advantage, establishing a strong early lead in a rapidly growing market. Strategic partnerships, collaborating effectively to accelerate development and adoption. These industries represent areas where AI's transformative power can unlock unprecedented value and create the next wave of trillion-dollar companies. The beyond aspect highlights the even more radical potential as AI integrates more deeply with our lives in the physical world. This section reflects market valuations as of late 2025, where these tech titans consistently command valuations well over 2.5 trillionaire, with some surpassing 3.5 trillionaire, and details their latest AI strategies and product ecosystems. Analyzing trillion-dollar titans. How they leverage AI. Understanding how the world's most valuable companies utilize artificial intelligence is crucial for anyone aspiring to build unthinkable wealth. These giants didn't reach multi-trillion-dollar valuations by accident. AI is a core component of their strategy, innovation, and operational efficiency. Let's break down how some of these key players harness the power of AI. Microsoft, often exceeding $3.7 trillion. The Copilot and agent ecosystem. Microsoft has gone all in on AI, rebranding and rebuilding its entire software suite around its AI assistant, Copilot. It functions as a ubiquitous AI companion across Windows, Microsoft 365, and the Edge browser. AI platforms and services, Azure. AI remains a cornerstone, providing a comprehensive cloud platform for developers. This is bolstered by the Azure AI Foundry and a deep strategic partnership with OpenAI, integrating its most powerful models directly into Azure services. AI and products. Copilot is the star, automating tasks, generating content in Word, analyzing data in Excel with Python integration, summarizing email threads in Outlook, and providing real-time transcription and insights in Teams. New tools like Copilot Pages and Copilot Notebooks further extend its content creation capabilities. Future potential and recent focus. Microsoft's strategy is centered on deploying AI agents that can autonomously manage complex business processes. They are leading the charge in integrating generative AI into every layer of the enterprise, from personal productivity to large-scale CRM and ERP solutions, aiming to redefine how work is done. Apple, hovering around $3.6 trillion. The Apple Intelligence Ecosystem. Apple's approach to AI is branded as Apple Intelligence, focusing on a seamless, deeply integrated, and privacy-centric user experience. The core of this strategy is powerful on-device processing using its custom Apple Silicon chips. AI in products. This system powers features across the OS, including a much smarter Siri, live translation in calls, and creative tools like Genmoji and ImageWand. Computational photography continues to be a key differentiator, while visual intelligence allows users to interact with objects and text on their screen. AI in operations, sophisticated supply chain optimization, AI-driven quality control in manufacturing, and robust fraud detection for Apple Pay remain critical, though less visible, applications of its AI prowess. Future potential and recent focus. Apple is heavily focused on enhancing its augmented reality, AR capabilities within products like the Vision Pro, powered by AI. A major strategic shift is providing developers with direct access to its on-device foundation models, enabling a new wave of private and powerful third-party apps. The emphasis is always on user privacy, using private cloud compute for tasks that require off-device processing without compromising user data. Alphabet Google, surpassing $2.5 trillion. The Gemini ecosystem. Google's AI efforts are now consolidated under the powerful Gemini family of models. This multimodal AI is being integrated into every corner of its product ecosystem, backed by a massive $75 billion AI investment plan. Core AI capabilities. Google continues to lead in fundamental AI research through Google AI and DeepMind. Its custom tensor processing units, TPUs, provide the hardware backbone, while frameworks like TensorFlow and JAX remain popular with researchers. AI in products. The Google Assistant has evolved into Gemini Live, a conversational AI that deeply integrates with apps like Calendar, Tasks, and Maps to function as a real-time personal assistant, even providing on-screen visual guidance. Google Search now features a search generative experience, while AI powers everything from YouTube's recommendations to the Pixel camera and spam filtering in Gmail. Future potential and recent focus. Google's strategy is the total integration of Gemini to create a single, helpful, and conversational AI that understands a user's context across all Google services. They are also aggressively pushing into the enterprise space with tools like AI-assisted coding in Cloud SQL Studio and automated cloud migration tools. Amazon approaching $2.5 trillion. Agentic AI, Alexa Plus, and AWS. Amazon is evolving its AI from a responsive assistant to a proactive agent. The primary consumer-facing brand for this is Alexa Plus, a new generative AI-powered version of Alexa capable of performing complex, multi-step tasks on the user's behalf. AI in e-commerce and operations. Amazon's dominance in e-commerce is built on AI, from its world-class recommendation engines and dynamic pricing to the extensive use of robotics and AI in its fulfillment centers for complete warehouse automation. AI platforms and services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leader in democratizing AI, offering tools like SageMaker for model building and Bedrock for accessing foundation models. Their new focus is on providing the infrastructure for the agentic era with services like Agent Core Runtime, enabling other businesses to build and deploy their own AI agents at scale. Future potential and recent focus. Amazon's dual focus is clear. On the consumer side, make Alexa Plus an indispensable agent for managing the smart home and daily life. On the business side, become the foundational platform for the entire AI agent economy through AWS Keyways. These companies use AI, personalization at scale, tailoring products, services, and recommendations to individual users, creating highly engaging and sticky experiences. Automation and efficiency, streamlining complex operations, reducing costs, improving speed, and optimizing resource allocation through intelligent automation. Data-driven insights, using AI to analyze vast amounts of data to understand customer behavior, predict market trends, and make more informed strategic decisions. Creating intelligent products and services, embedding AI directly into their offerings to enhance functionality, create new capabilities, and deliver superior user experiences. Building foundational AI platforms, providing the tools, services, and infrastructure that enable other businesses and developers to leverage AI, fostering innovation and creating new revenue streams. Deploying AI agents and companions, shifting from simple AI features to integrated, proactive assistants like Copilot, Gemini Live, and Alexa Plus that can understand complex commands and execute multi-step tasks on behalf of the user. By studying these titans, aspiring AI trillionaires can see that AI isn't just a technology. It's the fundamental business strategy for achieving market dominance and unthinkable wealth in the modern era. The Unstoppable Alliance, AI and Blockchain. Your blueprint for trillion-dollar disruption, artificial intelligence, and blockchain, individually potent, form an unprecedented alliance poised to reshape industries and mint the next generation of trillionaires. Their combined strengths address fundamental limitations of existing systems, creating pathways to unthinkable wealth through enhanced trust, efficiency, and entirely new market paradigms. Understanding this synergy is not just about grasping technological trends, it's about identifying the foundational layers of future trillion-dollar empires. 1. Securing trust and unlocking high-value data for AI-driven fortunes. Blockchain's immutable provenance. The bedrock of trustworthy AI. The unalterable ledger of blockchain ensures the integrity and origin of data fueling AI models. This eliminates concerns about manipulation and bias, leading to more reliable AI insights crucial for high-stakes trillion-dollar decisions in finance, healthcare, and beyond. Trustworthy AI built on blockchain-verified data becomes a powerful differentiator and a source of immense value. Secure and auditable data sharing, fueling collaborative AI innovation. Blockchain enables secure data collaboration without compromising ownership. This accelerates the development of sophisticated AI models, the very engines of trillion-dollar solutions, by allowing diverse datasets to be combined and analyzed ethically and efficiently across organizations. Decentralized AI marketplaces, democratizing access to trillion-dollar tools. Imagine a future where AI models and datasets are traded securely on blockchain marketplaces. This democratizes access to cutting-edge AI, allowing nimble entrepreneurs to leverage powerful tools without massive upfront investment, leveling the playing field and accelerating the creation of disruptive, high-value solutions. 2. Transparent and auditable. AI building confidence for trillion-dollar adoption. Blockchain as the verifiable history of intelligent systems, tracking the entire life cycle of AI models on a blockchain, from training to deployment, provides an immutable audit trail. This transparency is paramount for regulatory compliance in trillion-dollar industries like autonomous vehicles and finance, fostering the trust necessary for widespread adoption and massive wealth generation. XE enhanced by blockchain's verifiability, understanding the why behind trillion-dollar decisions. While blockchain doesn't explain AI logic directly, its verifiable record of inputs and outputs enhances the credibility of explainable AI efforts. Understanding and trusting the reasoning behind AI-driven trillion-dollar strategies is crucial for investors and stakeholders. 3. Smart contract automation, the engine of trillion-dollar efficiency, automated AI-powered services, frictionless value exchange. Smart contracts automate the delivery and payment of AI services, creating seamless and efficient transactions. Imagine AI-driven financial predictions or personalized healthcare recommendations executed and paid for automatically, scaling services to a trillion-dollar market with minimal overhead. DAOs for trillion-dollar governance, decentralized and trustless control. Blockchain-based DAOs can govern complex AI-driven organizations in a transparent and community-led manner. This trustless governance can attract massive investment and participation, particularly in decentralized trillion-dollar ecosystems. 4. Protecting the crown jewels, blockchain for AI intellectual property. NFTs, securing ownership in the trillion-dollar AI economy. Representing ownership of groundbreaking AI models and algorithms as NFTs on a blockchain creates a secure and verifiable system for protecting intellectual property. This incentivizes innovation and allows creators to capture the immense value of their AI breakthroughs. 5. Decentralized AI, building resilient trillion-dollar infrastructures. AI on blockchain, unstoppable and censorship-resistant innovation. Integrating AI into decentralized applications, DAPPS, running on blockchain, creates resilient and censorship-resistant intelligence services. This robustness is crucial for foundational technologies underpinning trillion-dollar economies. AI-powered decentralized services, the fabric of trillion-dollar interactions. Imagine decentralized platforms for everything from social interaction to finance, all enhanced by AI and secured by blockchain. These decentralized AI-powered ecosystems have the potential to capture massive market share and generate unthinkable wealth. The trillion-dollar opportunity. The convergence of AI and blockchain is more than just a technological advancement. It's a fundamental shift in how trust is established, efficiency is achieved, and value is created. By building solutions that leverage the intelligence of AI on the secure and transparent foundation of blockchain, aspiring trillionaires can unlock entirely new markets, disrupt existing trillion-dollar industries, and forge the unstoppable alliances that will define the future of wealth. Key strategies and actionable steps. Extract key strategies and lessons that aspiring AI trillionaires can learn from their approaches. 1. Embed AI deeply into the core value proposition. Lesson from Apple and Google. Insight. Don't treat AI as a mere add-on feature. Integrate it fundamentally into your products and services to create unique and indispensable value for users. Apple, Siri, Face ID, personalized recommendations are core to the user experience and create stickiness. Google, AI powers the very core of their search engine, advertising platform, and numerous consumer applications, making them essential tools. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Identify a massive problem and envision an AI-powered solution where intelligence is not just a feature, but the very essence of what you offer. 2. Build scalable AI platforms and services for others. Lesson from Microsoft and Amazon. Insight. Creating platforms and cloud-based AI services empowers other businesses and developers, fostering a vast ecosystem and generating significant revenue streams. Microsoft, Azure AI, provides a comprehensive suite of AI tools for enterprises to build their own intelligent applications. Amazon, AWS AI, offers a wide array of machine learning services, democratizing AI for businesses of all sizes. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Consider building foundational AI infrastructure or platforms that enable other innovators to create value, taking a cut of the broader AI economy. 3. Leverage vast data sets to train. Powerful AI. Lesson from Google and Amazon. Insight. Access to and intelligent utilization of massive amounts of data is crucial for training effective AI models and gaining a significant competitive advantage. Google, their search engine and user base provide an unparalleled source of data for training various AI models. Amazon, e-commerce and cloud services generate immense data sets on consumer behavior and business operations. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Strategize how to acquire or generate unique and valuable data sets relevant to your chosen problem, understanding that data is the fuel for your AI engine. 4. Personalize user experiences at scale with AI. Lesson from Apple, Google, and Amazon. Insight. AI enables the creation of highly tailored experiences, increasing user engagement, loyalty, and willingness to pay a premium. Apple. Personalized recommendations in their app stores and media services. Google. Tailored search results, news feeds, and advertising. Amazon. Highly personalized product recommendations and shopping experiences. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Design your AI-powered solution to deeply understand individual user needs and preferences, delivering customized value that feels indispensable. 5. Automate and optimize operations with AI. Lesson from Amazon and Microsoft. Insight. AI can drive significant efficiencies and cost savings by automating complex processes and optimizing resource allocation. Amazon. Warehouse robotics and supply chain optimization, powered by AI. Microsoft. AI-driven improvements in their software development and business processes. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Identify areas within your potential business where AI-driven automation can create significant cost advantages and improve scalability. 6. Build strong brands. Synonymous with innovation. Lesson from Apple and Google. Insight. A powerful brand that consistently delivers innovative and user-friendly AI-powered products and services, fosters trust, and commands premium market positions. Apple. Known for seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology, including AI, into elegant and intuitive products. Google. Synonymous with intelligent search and groundbreaking AI research. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Focus not just on the technology, but on building a brand that represents trust, innovation, and a commitment to user value in the AI era. 7. Diversify AI applications across multiple sectors. Lesson from Google and Microsoft. Insight. Applying core AI capabilities across a range of products and services creates multiple revenue streams and reduces reliance on a single market. Google. AI in search, advertising, cloud, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, etc. Microsoft. AI in enterprise software, cloud services, gaming, search, etc. Action for aspiring trillionaires. While starting with a focused solution, consider how your core AI technology could be adapted and applied to adjacent or even seemingly unrelated industries. 8. Invest heavily in long-term AI research and development. Lesson from Google and Microsoft. Insight. Staying at the forefront of AI requires a significant and sustained commitment to research, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Google DeepMind. Dedicated to cutting-edge AI research with long-term goals. Microsoft AI. Investing heavily in fundamental AI research. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Allocate resources to explore novel AI techniques and anticipate future breakthroughs that could create new trillion-dollar opportunities. 9. Create ecosystems that encourage innovation. Lesson from Microsoft and Amazon. Insight. By providing platforms and tools for third-party developers, these companies foster a vibrant ecosystem that expands the utility and reach of their core offerings. Microsoft, App Store, Azure Marketplace, enables developers to build and sell applications and services. Amazon AWS Marketplace, Alexa Skills Kit, allows others to build on their infrastructure and platforms. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Consider how you can create a platform that allows others to build upon your AI technology, generating additional value and revenue streams. 10. Prioritize user experience and ethical considerations. Implicit lesson from all. Insight. While not always perfectly executed, these companies generally strive for user-friendly interfaces and are increasingly aware of the ethical implications of their AI technologies, privacy, bias, etc. Action for aspiring trillionaires. Design your AI solutions with the user in mind, prioritizing ease of use and addressing potential ethical concerns proactively to build trust and ensure long-term sustainability. By studying the strategies of these tech giants, aspiring trillionaires can glean valuable lessons on how to build and scale AI-driven businesses with the potential for unprecedented wealth and global impact. The key is to identify a truly revolutionary problem and apply these principles intelligently within the unique context of your vision. Discuss the future trajectory of their AI investments and potential new areas of growth. Consider interviewing experts or citing research that analyzes the role of AI in their success. The immense potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, the AGI ecosystem. Stake your claim in the next technological leap. Key concepts to explore. 1. Revisiting AGI, the ultimate AI frontier. Clearly define AGI and differentiate it from narrow AI. Emphasize its human-level cognitive abilities and its potential to reason, learn, and solve problems across diverse domains. Highlight the fact that while not yet a reality, The pursuit of AGI is a major focus of research and development globally. 2. The trillion-dollar implications of AGI. Paint a picture of the transformative economic impact AGI could have. Discuss its potential to revolutionize every industry simultaneously, create entirely new markets, and solve currently intractable global challenges. Emphasize that the companies and individuals who are instrumental in building and deploying AGI will likely command unprecedented levels of wealth and influence. 3. Participating in the AGI network. More than just code. Broaden the definition of building the network beyond just software development. Include various crucial roles and contributions, core algorithm development, pioneering new AI architectures, and learning paradigms that could lead to AGI. Scalable infrastructure, creating the massive computational power and data storage necessary to train and run AGI. Ethical frameworks and safety mechanisms, developing the guidelines and safeguards to ensure AGI benefits humanity. New applications and integrations, identifying and building groundbreaking applications of early AGI capabilities across different sectors. Investment and funding, recognizing and supporting the most promising AGI research and development efforts. Policy and governance, shaping the regulatory landscape to foster responsible AGI development. Talent development, educating and training the next generation of AGI researchers and engineers. Data curation and annotation, building the massive, high-quality data sets needed to train AGI. 4. The minds and stock processes. Analogy. Let's expand on this analogy. The minds could represent the core AI algorithms and architectures, the ability for AGI to think and reason. The stock processes could symbolize the massive computational power, like vast server farms or future quantum computing, needed to run these complex minds efficiently and at scale. Emphasize that controlling or having significant ownership in either of these fundamental layers of AGI infrastructure could be a direct path to immense wealth. 5. Actionable steps for aspiring AGI trillionaires. Education and skill. Acquisition. Focus on the core disciplines underpinning AGI: computer science, mathematics, neuroscience, cognitive science. Joining leading research labs or companies. Identify and seek opportunities with organizations at the forefront of AGI development. Investing in foundational AGI infrastructure. Explore opportunities in companies building next-generation computing and data storage. Focusing on ethical and safety research. This is a crucial and potentially highly valuable area. Identifying unmet needs. AGI could solve. Think about currently intractable problems that AGI could revolutionize. Building early applications of emerging AGI capabilities. Even before full AGI, early forms will have immense value. Networking and collaboration. Connect with other researchers, engineers, and investors in the AGI space. 6. The long-term vision and potential rewards. Reiterate the potentially transformative impact of AGI on society and the economy. Emphasize that while the path to AGI is challenging and uncertain, the rewards for those who contribute significantly to its creation could be astronomical, potentially leading to trillion-dollar valuations for individuals and companies. Napoleon Hill's timeless masterpiece, Think and Grow Rich, has guided generations toward prosperity through the power of the mind and the application of fundamental principles. But what happens when these enduring truths intersect with the most transformative force of our time, artificial intelligence? In this groundbreaking chapter, we embark on a unique journey, not merely to understand wealth, but to architect unprecedented fortunes in the burgeoning era of AI. The trillion-dollar landscape of tomorrow will be shaped by those who can not only dream big, as Hill so eloquently advocated, but who can also harness the intelligence of machines to identify, create, and scale solutions with exponential impact. Prepare to witness the fusion of human ambition with algorithmic precision as we explore 10 powerful pathways to apply the core tenets of Think and Grow Rich to the extraordinary pursuit of becoming an AI-driven trillionaire. The future of wealth is intelligent, and your journey to it begins here. Transforming mindset into trillions. How to apply the core principles of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich in the context of becoming a trillionaire in the age of artificial intelligence. Desire, combined with AI-driven opportunity identification. Hill's principle: cultivate a burning desire for your trillion-dollar goal, making it a constant obsession. AI application. Use AI tools to analyze vast data sets, identify emerging trillion-dollar market opportunities within AI-driven industries, as we discussed, and pinpoint specific problems your intense desire can be focused on solving with AI. Faith, belief in your AI-powered vision. Hill's principle: develop unwavering faith in your ability to achieve your desire, visualizing its realization. AI application. Build confidence through continuous learning about AI advancements, experimenting with AI tools, and creating prototypes or minimum viable products that demonstrate the potential of your AI-driven solution. Use AI to simulate potential market scenarios and reinforce your belief in its viability. Auto-suggestion, programming your mind for AI success. Hill's principle: regularly impress your subconscious mind with affirmations of your success. AI application. Immerse yourself in AI-related content, engage in discussions with AI experts, and use AI tools to track your progress and visualize milestones in your AI-driven trillion-dollar venture. Specialized knowledge, AI expertise, and strategic business acumen. Hill's principle: acquire specialized knowledge relevant to your chosen field. AI application. Deeply learn specific areas of AI that align with your trillion-dollar vision, e.g. deep learning, NLP, computer vision. Combine this with acquiring strategic business knowledge relevant to scaling an AI company and navigating trillion-dollar markets. Imagination, AI-powered innovation. Hill's principle: use your imagination to conceive plans for achieving your desire. AI application. Leverage AI tools for brainstorming, generating pioneering ideas, and simulating potential AI-driven solutions. Use AI to analyze existing technologies and identify opportunities for disruptive innovation. Organized planning, AI-driven strategy and execution. Hill's principle: create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once. AI application. Develop detailed business plans informed by AI-driven market analysis, competitor analysis, and predictive forecasting. Use AI project management tools to organize tasks, track progress, and optimize execution. Decision, swift and certain action in the AI landscape. Hill's principle: make decisions promptly and change them slowly, if at all. AI application. Utilize AI-powered analytics to inform rapid decision-making in the fast-paced AI industry. Develop clear decision-making frameworks based on data and stick to them unless compelling new AI-driven insights suggest a necessary shift. Persistence, navigating the challenges of AI development and scaling. Hill's principle: cultivate the habit of persistence to overcome obstacles. AI application. Anticipate the technical challenges of AI development and the scaling hurdles of a trillion-dollar venture. Use AI-powered risk assessment tools to identify potential roadblocks and develop mitigation strategies. Maintain unwavering persistence in the face of setbacks. The power of the mastermind, AI-enhanced collaboration. Hill's principle: connect with a group of like-minded individuals who can support your vision. AI application. Build a powerful network of AI experts, investors, advisors, and strategic partners. Use AI-powered communication and collaboration tools to facilitate effective teamwork and leverage collective intelligence. The mystery of sex transmutation. Hill's principle: transmute the energy of sexual desire into creative drive. AI application. Channel your passion and intense focus into the relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence in your AI-driven trillion-dollar venture. Let that drive fuel your creativity and problem-solving in the complex world of AI. Focused creative drive, modern interpretation. Definition: the conscious and intentional redirection of primal energies, including but not limited to sexual desire, into intense mental focus, passion, and creative action aimed at achieving ambitious goals. It involves harnessing inherent human drives to fuel innovation and problem-solving. AI application. Cultivate the ability to channel your deepest passions and energies into the intense focus required to master complex AI concepts, drive groundbreaking innovation, and build a trillion-dollar enterprise. This involves consciously directing your mental and emotional intensity towards creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in the AI space. By consciously applying these think and grow rich principles, now including the modern interpretation of focused creative drive with a strategic emphasis on leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, aspiring trillionaires can cultivate the mindset, knowledge, and actions necessary to pursue such an extraordinary goal in this new technological era. While there's no definitive, publicly acknowledged secret list endorsed by all trillionaires, as the number of trillionaires is currently 0, we can infer potential underlying principles and less talked about approaches that might contribute to such extraordinary wealth, drawing from the behaviors and strategies of those with near trillion-dollar fortunes and deep insights into wealth creation. While there's no definitive, publicly acknowledged secret list endorsed by all trillionaires, as the number of trillionaires is currently 0, we can infer potential underlying principles and less talked about approaches that might contribute to such extraordinary wealth, drawing from the behaviors and strategies of those with near trillion-dollar fortunes and deep insights into wealth creation. Here are 10 potential secret steps that could be attributed to future trillionaires. 1. Cultivating a first principles, thinking approach to AI. Instead of iterating on existing AI, they deeply question fundamental assumptions and build entirely innovative/novel AI architectures or applications from the ground up, leading to truly disruptive breakthroughs. 2. Developing a meta vision beyond a single product. They don't just create a successful company, they envision and build an entire interconnected ecosystem or a foundational technology that spawns multiple trillion-dollar markets. Think beyond an app to an entirely new way of interacting with reality powered by AI. 3. Mastering the art of silent influence and strategic philanthropy. They wield influence not just through their businesses, but through carefully chosen, often less publicized, investments and philanthropic endeavors that shape policy, research, and societal trends in their favor over the long term. 4. Building anti-fragile organizations in the face of technological disruption. They create companies that don't just withstand disruption, but thrive on volatility and change in the AI landscape, constantly adapting and absorbing new technologies and talent. 5. Understanding and exploiting the asymmetric upside of emerging AI and frontier tech. They identify and strategically invest in highly risky but potentially exponentially rewarding areas of AI and related fields, like early-stage AGI research, neurointerfaces, or quantum AI, with the patience for long-term payoffs. 6. Creating digital flywheels with AI at their core. They design systems where AI constantly refines and improves the core product or service, leading to accelerating user adoption, data acquisition, and revenue generation in a self-reinforcing cycle. 7. Fostering a culture of radical experimentation and embracing failure as learning. They build organizations where rapid prototyping and bold experimentation with AI are encouraged, and failures are seen as valuable data points on the path to transformative innovation. 8. Developing deep intuition for future technological convergence. They possess a rare ability to foresee how seemingly disparate technologies, AI, biotech, nanotech, space tech, will converge in the future to create entirely new industries and position themselves at the forefront of these intersections. 9. Building human-AI symbiotic competitive edge and moats. That are irreplaceable, they create systems where human expertise and AI capabilities are so deeply intertwined and mutually dependent that they form a competitive advantage virtually impossible for others to replicate. 10. Operating with a multi-generational time horizon for impact. Their vision extends far beyond quarterly earnings or even a single decade. They are building legacies and laying the groundwork for transformations that will unfold over multiple generations, understanding that true unthinkable wealth often comes from such long-term, foundational endeavors. 11. Tapping into infinite intelligence through deeply integrated AI. Future trillionaires might cultivate an exceptional ability to connect their vision and intuition with the vast processing power and data-driven insights of advanced AI, almost acting as a conduit between human creativity and a form of infinite intelligence accessible through these sophisticated systems. This could involve developing unique interfaces or mental models for deeply interrogating AI and receiving fresh/novel, high-level strategic guidance that transcends conventional analysis. 12. Creating value through the democratization of powerful AI tools. Instead of hoarding groundbreaking AI, future trillionaires might build platforms and tools that empower billions of individuals and smaller businesses to leverage advanced AI for their own innovation and wealth creation. By enabling a massive wave of AI-driven productivity and entrepreneurship, they could capture a small percentage of a much larger global economic pie, leading to unprecedented wealth. It's important to remember that these are speculative inferences based on observed patterns of extreme success and the potential trajectory of AI and technology. The actual secrets of future trillionaires will likely be a unique blend of these and entirely unprecedented approaches. Thoughts from the creator. The influence of Think and Grow Rich has been far more than just a series of ideas I encountered. It has been a foundational operating system for my life, a philosophy subtly instilled even before I truly grasped its full significance. My mother having embraced these principles long before I was born in their most essential form, the simple yet profound directives to do right and do good, naturally guided me towards this way of thinking from a young age. However, my personal deep dive began around 14 or 15, when my mom gifted me Think and Grow Rich, and I had a physical copy in my hands. It was the constant exposure through those high school books and cassette tapes that truly ignited my understanding of its power, so much so that its concepts even found their way into my early rap lyrics. This auditory learning continued into adulthood, Hill's voice and words, a steadfast companion during countless travels, sometimes even the last sound I heard before sleep. The tangible results I experienced, from the focused discipline that aided me in passing my insurance exams with scores of 82% and 85%, to the cultivation of meaningful relationships and professional achievements, served as undeniable proof of their efficacy. For a significant period, the physical book was a monthly touchstone, each reading revealing new nuances. Now, spanning 4 decades of dedicated belief and application, I've witnessed these principles manifest in remarkable ways, from attracting key individuals and creating diverse income streams to significant connections and financial growth. While all the chapters resonated as a young man, the mystery of sex transmutation particularly captivated me. Even without fully articulating the concept at the time, I intuitively understood the power of channeling that potent energy, the conscious decision to redirect physical urges into intense mental focus, linking the powerful emotions of sex, love, and faith. What I will refer to today as focused creative drive, that magnetic presence, felt intrinsically tied to this principle. To this day, the mystery of sex transmutation, alongside the driving force of desire, remains a cornerstone of my understanding. It is from this deep well of personal experience, a lifelong journey of applying these timeless laws, that I now share my perspective, hoping to illuminate how these very principles can be amplified and applied in the revolutionary context of artificial intelligence to achieve truly unthinkable wealth. Here are 10 actionable steps on how to use Trillionaire, an artificial intelligence guide to unthinkable wealth, as a guide on your path to becoming a trillionaire with AI. 1. Master the foundations. Thoroughly read and understand the introductory sections that define the new era of AI-driven wealth and demystify key AI concepts. This will provide the essential groundwork for the rest of the guide. 2. Identify your trillion-dollar niche. Carefully analyze the high-growth AI industries and the potential of blended sectors. Identify areas that align with your passions, skills, and potential for creating truly revolutionary solutions. 3. Explore future horizons. Engage with the speculative section on futuristic concepts, including AGI. This will expand your thinking beyond current limitations and spark innovative ideas for long-term opportunities. 4. Embrace the Think and Grow Rich framework. Dedicate time to deeply understand each of the Think and Grow Rich principles and their specific applications within the context of building an AI-centric trillion-dollar venture. Reflect on how these principles resonate with your personal journey and ambitions. 5. Focus on AGI's potential. Pay close attention to the dedicated section on AGI. Understand its transformative power and consider potential roles you could play in its development or the building of its infrastructure. 6. Learn from the author's journey. Read thoughts from the creator to gain insights from Reese's personal experiences with the principles discussed. Connect his journey with your own aspirations and challenges. 7. Develop your action plan. After reading each section, actively brainstorm and jot down specific ideas and steps you can take based on the information presented. Create a tangible action plan outlining your initial areas of focus and learning. 8. Leverage the USPs. Continuously refer back to the guide's unique selling propositions. Ensure your own ideas and strategies align with the focus on AI as the primary driver, the need for actionable frameworks, the importance of in-depth industry analysis, and the necessity of a balanced perspective on opportunities and challenges. 9. Network and collaborate. Actively seek out individuals and communities interested in AI and wealth creation. Apply the mastermind principle by engaging in discussions, sharing ideas, and seeking mentorship within these networks. 10. Persist and adapt. The journey to becoming a trillionaire will be filled with obstacles. Embody the principle of persistence, continuously learning, adapting your strategies based on the evolving AI landscape and market feedback, and maintaining an unwavering belief in your vision. By actively engaging with the content of Trillionaire, an artificial intelligence guide to unthinkable wealth, in this structured and action-oriented way, you can leverage its insights and frameworks to guide your own ambitious path towards achieving unthinkable wealth in the age of AI. The intelligent future of wealth. Your trillion-dollar potential. The journey you've embarked on within these pages is not a destination, but a launchpad. The fusion of artificial intelligence and the timeless principles of focused ambition presents a frontier ripe with unprecedented opportunity, a landscape where the very definition of wealth is expanding beyond the limits of conventional understanding. Remember the core tenets: to identify the monumental problems that AI can solve, to build solutions with unwavering belief, to fuel your vision with relentless desire, and to strategically apply intelligent tools with organized planning and persistent action. The power of AI is not a magic wand, but a force multiplier for those who dare to think beyond the billion and envision the trillion. The path ahead will undoubtedly be filled with complexities and challenges, mirroring the intricate nature of the intelligence you seek to harness. But within those challenges lie the very seeds of innovation and the potential for truly disruptive breakthroughs. Embrace the learning process, adapt with agility, and never lose sight of the transformative power that lies at the intersection of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. The future of wealth is intelligent, dynamic, and brimming with possibilities yet to be conceived. The tools are becoming more powerful, the understanding deeper, and the opportunities more vast than ever before. Your potential to not only achieve unthinkable wealth, but to contribute to a future shaped by intelligent abundance is real. The algorithmic ascent has begun. The intelligent guide is in your hands. Now go forth and architect your trillion-dollar future. Please note, the financial information regarding the net worth of the world's wealthiest individuals presented herein is based on data available at the time of this guide's publication and is subject to constant fluctuation due to market conditions and other economic factors. The figures provided for the top 10 richest people, their respective industries, and their distance from a trillion-dollar net worth should be considered as a general overview, based on recent estimates, as the data may have shifted since this section was compiled. However, the trends observed, such as the significant role of the technology sector in wealth accumulation, offer valuable insights and represent a crucial snapshot in time. The achievement of $1 trillion net worth by any individual remains a dynamic and evolving prospect. With that context, here is a summary of the top 10 richest people in the world based on recent data. Top 10 richest people. Approximate figures in September 2025. 1. Elon Musk. Industry, Tesla, electric vehicles. SpaceX, aerospace. X, social media. XAI, artificial intelligence. Net worth, roughly $437.8 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $562.2 billion. 2. Larry Ellison, industry, Oracle, software, cloud technology. Net worth, roughly $271 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $729 billion. 3. Mark Zuckerberg, industry, Meta platforms, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Metaverse. Net worth, roughly $253 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $747 billion. 4. Jeff Bezos, industry, Amazon, e-commerce, cloud computing. Blue Origin, aerospace. Net worth, roughly $240 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $760 billion. 5. Larry Page, industry, Alphabet, Google. Net worth, roughly $178 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $822 billion. 6. Sergey Brin, industry, Alphabet, Google. Net worth, roughly $166 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $834 billion. 7. Bernard Arnault and family, industry, LVMH, luxury goods. Net worth, roughly $156 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $844 billion. 8. Steve Ballmer, industry, Microsoft, investments, LA Clippers. Net worth, roughly $153 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $847 billion. 9. Jensen Huang, industry, NVIDIA, semiconductors, AI hardware. Net worth, roughly $151 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $849 billion. 10. Warren Buffett, industry, Berkshire Hathaway, investments. Net worth, roughly $150 billion. Distance from $1 trillion, approximately $850 billion. Key observations. Technology dominates. A significant portion of the world's wealthiest individuals derive their fortunes from the technology sector. The distance is vast. As you can see, even the wealthiest individuals are still a considerable distance from achieving $1 trillion net worth. Here are some quotes from industry leaders regarding AI. Jensen Huang, CEO, NVIDIA. It's very clear that AI is going to impact every industry. I think that every nation needs to make sure that AI is a part of their national strategy. Every country will be impacted. Sundar Pichai, CEO, Google. The future of AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities. Ginny Rometty, former CEO, IBM. AI will not replace humans, but those who use AI will replace those who don't. Imad Mostaq, founder and CEO, Stability AI. We see the wave coming. Now this time next year, every company has to implement it, not even have a strategy. Implement it. Bill Gates, co-founder, Microsoft. AI agents will become the primary way we interact with computers in the future. Satya Nadella, CEO, Microsoft. AI agents will become the primary way we interact with computers in the future. They will be able to understand our needs and preferences and proactively help us with tasks and decision-making. Ah, yes, the quote from the first-gen AI trillionaire that touches on the power of AI, even with a bit of humor, is, "With AI power comes the generation of an algorithmic legacy." This quote highlights the idea that the AI we create won't just perform tasks, it will also shape the future in profound and lasting ways, leaving behind an algorithmic legacy. It playfully touches on the immense and potentially long-lasting impact of AI, even hinting at something akin to a digital footprint or influence that extends beyond our immediate actions. The AI Wealth Multiplier. Your strategic edge. While mastering the principles of mindset and understanding the raw power of artificial intelligence is essential, the true key to unlocking unthinkable wealth lies in strategically combining them in a way that creates a self-reinforcing cycle of exponential growth. This section unveils the AI Wealth Multiplier, a potent framework that goes beyond simply using AI as a tool and instead positions it as the core engine for building a future-proof, trillion-dollar enterprise. The AI Wealth Multiplier operates on a few core principles. 1. Identify high-value data flywheels. The foundation of any successful AI venture is data, but not just any data. Future trillionaires will focus on acquiring and creating data sets that are not only vast but also uniquely valuable. This data should be proprietary, difficult for competitors to replicate, and directly tied to enhancing the core value proposition of their AI-powered product or service. For example, instead of just collecting generic user data, an AI health company might focus on gathering exclusive longitudinal data on specific genetic markers and their correlation with disease progression, creating a data asset of unparalleled value for personalized medicine. 2. Build AI models that continuously refine themselves. The key is to design AI systems that don't just perform a task, but constantly learn and improve with every user interaction. This creates a virtuous cycle where the AI becomes more intelligent, the product becomes more valuable, and the user base expands exponentially. Imagine an AI-powered education platform where the AI tutor adapts in real time to a student's learning style, predicts knowledge gaps with pinpoint accuracy, and continuously refines its teaching methods based on the collective data of millions of students. This creates a self-improving system that becomes increasingly indispensable. 3. Create AI-powered ecosystems, not just products. Trillion-dollar companies don't just sell a product, they create an ecosystem. The AI Wealth Multiplier involves building a platform where other businesses and developers can leverage your core AI to create their own applications and services, further expanding your reach and influence. Think of an AI-driven operating system for the metaverse, where developers can build immersive experiences and applications, all powered by your underlying AI infrastructure. This positions you as the foundational layer of a new digital world. 4. Anticipate and solve future bottlenecks with AI. True wealth creation involves not just addressing current needs, but predicting and preemptively solving the challenges of tomorrow. Future trillionaires will use AI to anticipate emerging bottlenecks, whether it's resource scarcity, energy demands, or ethical dilemmas, and develop innovative solutions that position them as indispensable providers in a rapidly changing world. For example, an AI company might invest heavily in developing next-generation energy solutions, powered by advanced material science and fusion research, anticipating the future energy needs of an AI-driven civilization. 5. Monetize the unthinkable with AI. The greatest wealth will be generated by those who can see beyond the limitations of current business models and devise entirely new ways to monetize AI's unique capabilities. This could involve personalized AI companions that evolve with their users, offering companionship, education, and entertainment. AI-driven consciousness augmentation services that enhance human cognitive abilities. Building the infrastructure for the seamless integration of human consciousness and AI. This AI Wealth Multiplier approach, combining a long-term vision with a focus on solving fundamental challenges and building self-reinforcing systems, is the key to achieving truly unthinkable wealth in the age of intelligent machines. It's about building not just a company, but a future. About the creator, author Reese, a